What's up guys, for today's video we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Redline Edition. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the Camaro comes in 6 different trims: the base model LS, the 1LT, 2LT, the 1SS, and the 2SS, and of course the ZL1. My tester is currently the 2SS model with the Redline Edition package, which adds $2,300 to the value. But in my opinion, it looks really good, especially with that black painted wheels and the black bow ties. Probably best option for the money. So the Camaro comes in 4 different engines: the 2.0 liter turbo, the 3.6 liter V6, and the 6.2 liter V8, and the 6.2 liter supercharged V8. My tester is the 6.2 liter V8 that makes 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque, and goes 0 to 60 in 4 seconds flat, and makes 17 in the city and 27 on the highway. And on the door you have the window control. Both windows are fully automatic. Right above it you have the mirror controls. You also have the door handle with lock and unlock. You have 2 memory seats. And right down there you have the Bose speaker and the trunk opener. And on the left hand side steering wheel you have the heads up display. You have your speed with G-force and the RPMs. You have your radio, compass, and on the steering wheel you have leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise control, you have your heated steering wheel and your favorite channel. And on the right hand side you have your volume control, controls for the screen, and your voice commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say speech session ended. Goodbye.
And behind the steering wheel you also have the paddle shifters. And you have the turning signal stock. And the windshield wiper, and in the instrument cluster you have your speed with miles. You have trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, timer. You also have your performance page. You have your G-force, oil temperature, oil pressure, transmission fluid, tire temperature. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have your different units. You have 3 themes. And you have your information page. And speed warning. Right along the center console, you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below, you have the radio controls, climate controls, heated and vented seats. You have the engine start-stop. And you have the 8-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. You also have backup camera with guidance lines. You have traction control, mode selector, and electronic parking brake. You can choose between sport, tour, track, and snow and ice. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar navigation, settings. You have your time and date, your driving modes. You can enhance the sound management and steering. You have language, you have valet mode. You also have teen driver. You can view report cards like the maximum speed, overspeed warning, and wide open throttle, and much more. You can also manage settings like teen driver speed limit and the speed warning. You also have text, OnStar, lights. You can choose between over 30 different lights. You have light strip on the door, in the center console, and above the screen. You also have different apps. And on the window sticker, this car comes standard with 6.2 liter V8 and 6-speed manual transmission. So the standard vehicle price is $42,000. They added the Redline edition package, which includes the 20-inch black wheels, black painted mirrors, black bow tie, lower grille, black out decals, other decals, premium carpeted floors, and they also added the 8-speed automatic transmission and the dual mode exhaust, which all comes up to $47,730. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.